Now I want to talk about how we can find where a graph is increasing, decreasing, or constant. So if we have a function and we see its graph, we want to figure out where is it increasing, decreasing, and constant. So let's talk about what increasing means. Increasing means that, remember that we read a graph from left to right, just as we read a book. So we read a graph from left to right. Increasing means as we move from left to right, it's going up. Decreasing means as we go from left to right, it's going down. And then constant means it's just staying the same. So let's go ahead and look on this graph. Let's follow this graph and see where are we going up. So as I move from left to right, where am I going up? So if you saw that I'm going up here, like that, I'm going up from here to here, that is correct. So this is the interval where I'm increasing, where the graph is increasing. So we want to write these in interval notation. So let's take a look. So we want to start at -2, right? We're always writing the interval along the x-axis. So the interval along the x-axis where the graph is increasing is from -2, right, all the way over to +3. And we don't include any endpoints because it can't really be increasing at a single point. So it's increasing from -2 all the way to +3. And that is just this interval right here, right? We're talking about the x interval where the graph is increasing, and it's increasing from -2 to +3 on the x-axis, and that's what we're writing here. Okay, now the question is, where is the graph decreasing? So decreasing means as I move from left to right along the graph, where is it going down? So again, as I move from left to right, where is it going down? You'd be right if you said that it goes down over here. Right? It's going down this whole way. So from, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 3 to 7, it's going down. And we write this again, we don't include the endpoints because it can't really be decreasing at a single point. Or like right here, that's the end point. It's actually stopping. It's not continuing to go down after that. So we use parentheses here to indicate that we're not actually talking about that very end point. And like right here, we're not actually talking about the very top point. It's not really increasing or decreasing right at that point. But after that, it's decreasing. Before that, it's after that's decreasing, before it, it's increasing. Okay, now let's look at where is the graph constant. So constant means that as I go from left to right, it's not changing at all. It's not going up or down, it's just staying the same. So you're right if you said that over here, right, it's just staying the same. And since we have an arrow, we can assume it's going on like that forever. So it's staying the same. If we look along our x-axis, it's staying the same from -2 to -infinity. So we write that as -infinity to -2. And that goes from all the way from -infinity and then all the way up to -2. And that's how we find where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant given its graph.